Good evening, Ape Nation. We're here to deliver some news to you today and talk to you about AMC stock and what in the hell is going on with AMC stock and the broader market. So with me today, and by the way, before I make this introduction, don't forget to smash that like button if you want to piss Ken Griffin off, because that's the only way to piss him off right now. And of course, if you're not subscribed here, go ahead and do so. If you want to subscribe to my lovely sister's channel, the link to her channel will be in the description below. Anyhow, let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to talk about what in the hell is going on with AMC stock and the freaking stock market. So unless you've been under a rock, living under a rock for the last, few weeks, I'm sure you probably noticed that your portfolio is looking, well, a little terrible right now. It's probably taken quite the beating now, hasn't it? And if it hasn't, well, you need to let me know what your secret is, because I need to invest in the same crap that you're invested in so I can be rich just like you. But if you're like the rest of us, invested in AMC, if you're an ape, well, hell, I'm sure you've been taking a beating. I'm sure you're sad. And times are tough for us right now. Notice that I said right now, because times won't be tough for us for all of eternity. They're not even going to be tough for us for very long. Usually, when we see a period like this, and it's happened 26 times within the last, since the history of the stock market, this lasts about 4 months. Periods like this do. So we could be seeing, we've already been seeing a lot of pain. I'm not sure exactly how long we've been seeing this pain for, but it's been for quite some time. It can last a lot longer. Know this, because they're playing a psychological game with you. And when I say they, I mean Ken Griffin and his hedge fund buddies. So anyhow, this is no laughing matter. I did a video for you guys yesterday, and I said, hey, we need to quit fighting amongst each other, because there needs to be peace amongst all of us, okay? We all need to be fighting together, and when we're not doing that, things could get worse, okay? And you're probably sitting there thinking, well, how can they get any worse than where they're at now? I'm here to tell you, they may get worse, and they probably will, because Gary Gensler is not doing his dadgum job, okay? Or at least he's sleeping on the job. Who the hell knows what he's doing? This isn't a bad thing, okay? Lucky for us, this is not an AMC problem. This is a market-wide problem. That's right. The whole market is experiencing this ass kicking right now. Pretty much just about the entire market is getting their asses kicked. So when that happens, you can rest assured that it's okay. And even though your account may be looking kind of ugly right now, you can sleep at night, because this isn't our problem. This is the market's problem, the entire freaking market. And that's why this is such a good thing. It means that you can buy the dip if you'd like to, but just know if you buy the dip right now, it could dip even lower. So make sure you've got some dry powder on the side to put in to the market to buy some more stock. In our case, it'll be AMC stock, because I know that all of my subscribers, they love AMC. They love AMC stock, and they're all AMC shareholders. And yeah, we're all apes. We're kind of a little wild out here, trying to make you guys laugh during hard times, because I know the times are hard, and my portfolio shows it. And I know that I'm going to get some, idiots in the comments that are like, yeah, you're losing money, you and the rest of the apes. Yeah, well, I'll be laughing to the bank when that MOASS comes. So I don't give a crap if my portfolio is down right now. Nothing's changed. My conviction is the same. But let's talk a little bit about what's going on in the overall market. What's causing all of this crap, all these stocks to go down? Well, first of all, there's Jerome Powell. The Fed will be speaking on Wednesday, and we all know that things have been a little bit hawkish there with all of the inflation talk and interest rates that may be arising very soon. So I don't think there's much left here for us to talk about, because I've discussed it in previous videos and everybody's talking about it. But just know Jerome Powell is going to be talking on Wednesday, so people are going to be, well, panic selling, but that's not what's driving this stock down. It's not what's driving this market down, although it is part of the problem. There are other issues. Today we saw, well, a major drop in the entire stock market, and part of that has to do with the Russians, the Russian people, those evil Russians. Can you tell us a little bit about what the hell's going on with these evil Russians, Sandee? No offense if you're Russian, but the Russians are evil because they're making stocks go down right now.
So basically there's a lot of tension with Russia and Ukraine. There's a possible invasion of Ukraine. If that happens, it's going to be disastrous. They're ready to send, the U.S. is ready to send 8,500 troops within a matter of 5 days, as opposed to 10 days being the standard time. So it's a very tough situation for us as stockholders.
Yes, because anytime that there's a situation going on like this, stocks are going to drop because there's uncertainty in the market. There are other factors at play, but without giving you all the boring details, well, yeah, we've got 8,500 American soldiers, U.S. soldiers on high alert that may be getting deployed within 5 days at least. That's according to what we heard from the Pentagon today, okay? So that's another issue, and that's why you saw a bloodbath in the market today. And some of my favorite stocks are on sale, including AMC. When will this stop? That is the question. That's what everybody here wants to know. When will AMC stop bleeding? If you're waiting on me to give you an answer, I don't have that answer for you. I don't know. But I expect it to continue for a little bit longer. But we all know that when the Ken Griffin greed comes into play, it's already coming into play, well, that's going to spark the freaking MOASS. Because these sons of guns are trying to get our favorite stocks down to zero. They don't want AMC at $12. They don't want AMC at $10. They don't even want it to go down to $5. They want it to go down to zero. And that's where they are messing up. Now here's the other thing. How many shares are available out there? AMC shares. Well, in order to answer that, you would have to know, well, how many real shares are available? Can you answer that? Well, heck no, you can't, because we don't even know. Well, how many synthetics are available? As many as you're willing to freaking buy, right? The synthetics. New synthetics keep getting created every single day so that Ken Griffin can profit. And eventually it's going to turn around and bite him in the ass, and that's where the problem, well, that's where the problem lies, okay? Ken Griffin is shorting the stock. His goons are shorting the stock with synthetic freaking shares that are being created every single day. We don't even know how many synthetics exist as of the moment of this recording, as of the time of this recording. We don't know, but the number is so freaking outrageous, it would probably blow your mind if I was able to tell you, but I'm not. Anyhow, all you need to know is nothing's freaking changed except for the share price. And you only lose if you sell. As long as you keep holding, you're not going to lose. Do you really believe that AMC stock is going to go to $0? Do you? I mean, the fundamentals are improving. I've only been showing you data on my channel for months right now. Things are getting better, improving for the industry, improving for the stock, but yet what doesn't make sense is that the stock keeps going down. And why doesn't it make sense? Well, because the stock is manipulated. The entire market is manipulated, allegedly, and we already know this, but AMC and GME are the two most manipulated stocks in the entire market. That's why we're holding. We've already been over this several times. We already know this. Common sense. Keep holding, and that MOASS will come. Our time will come, and our money will come. We're going to be filthy rich. And then all these naysayers in the comments section, well, they can kiss my tail because they're going to be SOL. Did that rhyme? I think so. I'm a poet and didn't even know it. I will see you guys in the next video.